under the Chief Minister, Rekha Gupta. Very importantly, the 6th Minister Parvesh Verma. You have Ashish Sood, you have Ravinder Singh Indrajit, you have Kapil Mishra and Dr. Pankaj Kumar Singh. Let me show you the visuals also of, outside the very Ram Leela. We are outside the very Ram Leela, and you can see that stage is all set, like you said. There's this entire celebrations going on. The mood is all celebratory. You can see dhols, you can see all kinds of celebrations that is happening, filled with people, filled with all kinds of people. And you can see this is the situation outside the very Ram Leela. You can see people dancing, people having their flags on there, have their head as well also. You see the visuals also of people dancing, rejoicing with joy. Many people are gathered here. This is the gate number 1, the entry towards gate number 1, and now people will be entering. People are likely to enter through gate number 1 as well, and you will see many people also trying to enter gate number 1, and there are many people who are trying to enter, and just a while after, just after a while, now we will be seeing the main day, the oath-taking ceremony that's going to start in a while now. We are outside the Ram Leela Maidan. There's entire crowd, and I'll show you the arrangements also. Security have been beefed up here. You can see all kinds of people as well. You can see amount of there are 3 gates here. This is the gate number 1. People with passes are only allowed to enter the gate number 1. There is gate number 2 that has been made for medias as well. And alongside also you can see the visuals also. People dancing, people rejoicing, people in a celebratory mood as well. So definitely, Simran and also the viewers, you can get a glimpse of the excitement there. You can see the dhol nagare is going on, the celebrations as well. When just a while after, just in a while now, the oath-taking ceremony is going to happen, and then post that Rekha Gupta, along with her 6 ministers, will also be, going to the Yamuna to assess and to take a stock of the situation.
Well, absolutely. In fact, Brian, as I can see in the visuals, the stage is set. All the tall leaders, the top brass of the BJP, the NDA leaders have arrived. They are seated on the stage, and what is expected from minutes or from now is the swearing-in ceremony to begin. As in fact, the swearing-in ceremony is expected to begin shortly. Brian, I would like you to show through the visuals of what the celebration and the kind of arrangements that have been made. What is being secure? The security is also being heightened at this point of time, with a lot of high-profile people, and in fact, the dignitaries from the top brass of the BJP also arriving at Ram Leela Maidan. Brian.
Well, definitely, Simran, the celebration is all going on. The stage is set. You can see the dhol nagare is going on. And just ahead of the oath-taking ceremony that is going to happen in any while now, you can see the karyakartas, you can see the supporters, the followers of the, party coming here, supporting, celebrating. And also, we'll also be attempting to talk to people. Ma'am, abhi oath-taking ceremony hone wali hai. Rekha Gupta CM ban chuki hai.
रेखा गुप्ता जो सीएम बनी है, आदरणीय मोदी जी ने जो 33% का वादा किया था वो 50% किया है, और बहनों ने भी कमल के फूल के बदले पूरा बगीचा खिला दिया है। जिस बंदर के हाथ में माचिस दी थी उसने आग लगा दी, जिस जनता ने उसको लिखा था उसी जनता ने उसको पटक दिया, जिस जनता ने लिखा था उसने उसको मिटा दिया। कमल का फूल नहीं बगीचा खिलाए। जय श्री राम।
So as viewers, you can actually get a mood, you get a perspective that many kinds of people are here also who are trying to celebrate the victory of BJP, because BJP has returned to power after 27 years as well. Sir, आपसे भी जानने का कोशिश करेंगे, कैसे देखते हैं आज शपथ होने वाली है, रेखा गुप्ता को सीएम बनाया गया है, कैसे देखते हैं इस चीज को?
आज जो है मुख्यमंत्री रेखा गुप्ता जी बन रही है, बहुत ज्यादा ये है। अब जो काम नहीं हुए वो काम होंगे, जो काम नहीं हुए वो काम होंगे। यमुना की सफाई रही और रही, विद्यालय रहे, मंदिर हुए, सबका काम होगा।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर। आपसे भी जानने का कोशिश करेंगे, आज शपथ ग्रहण है, ओथ टेकिंग सेरेमनी होने वाला है कुछ देर में। रेखा गुप्ता को सीएम बनाया गया है, कैसे देखते हैं आप इस चीज को?
देखिए, ये महिलाओं का सम्मान है। मोदी जी जो कहते हैं वो करके दिखाते हैं। लोगों को किसी को विश्वास नहीं था कि कोई महिला बनेगी। मोदी जी हमेशा वही काम करते हैं जो कभी सोच नहीं सकते। ये महिलाओं का सम्मान है और सबका साथ सबका विकास।
सर, आपसे भी जानने का कोशिश करेंगे कि आज बड़ी जीत हुई है, 27 साल बाद बीजेपी को एक सत्ता मिला है, रेखा गुप्ता को सीएम बनाया गया है, चौथी विमेन सीएम है दिल्ली की, कैसे देखते हैं इस जीत को?
देखिए, ये तो आगाज है, अंजाम देखना, दिल्ली का होता हुआ विकास देखना। और हम सब लोगों का सपना था, दिल्ली के तमाम लोगों का सपना था कि जो एक महिला कार्यकर्ता सीएम बने। मोदी जी ने वो सपना पूरा किया। और अब आप देखना, यमुना में भी सफाई स्टार्ट हो गई है, रोड भी बनने लगे हैं। कुछ दिनों बाद आप दिल्ली को बदलते हुए देखोगे। दिल्ली पूरे देश का दिल बनेगी, दिल्ली का विकास होगा, दिल्ली की उन्नति होगी, दिल्ली में हर चीज एक नंबर की आएगी। चाहे वो मोदी जी हो, चाहे यहाँ की व्यवस्था हो, चाहे यहाँ की सड़कें हो, चाहे पानी हो, चाहे यहाँ का वातावरण हो, सब कुछ बदलेगा। ये मोदी जी की गारंटी है, भाजपा की गारंटी।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपसे बात करने के लिए। तो यस व्यूअर्स, you've heard people, we've spoken to a couple of people. You can actually get a perspective, Simran, the kind of mood that is here at the Ramlila, rather the outside Ramlila. You know, there's a festive mood, there's different types of people, different colors. You know, behind me also you can see, you know, the entire Dhol Nagara is going on. Around me there's bunch of people who are trying to enter, you know, through different types of gates. Even though, yes, the security has also been heightened up. When you see, you know, the paramilitary forces, the CRPFs, all of which have been deployed. You can see barricading has also been done to ensure the proper, you know, security is being heightened.